Alright, we're going to be opening up a few packs today. Start with this. Justin Verlander and Roy Halladay, numbered 84 out of 99. Now my son's gonna open next two.
You get it.
You want me to open?
Mm-hmm.
This one opens a lot better. Alright, let me get the hit. Go.
Okay.
Clayton Kershaw, number 299. Buster Posey. Adrian Gonzalez. Clayton Kershaw again. Hit. Josh Beckett. Titanic Threads. Numbered 31 out of 99.
Open it.
Wow, this pack's pretty big.
Yeah, I know. Looks like it.
Oh. You got a good card. Got a booklet. Be careful. Your first booklet card.
Yeah. Sweet.
Alright, let's take. Tony Gwynn, numbered to 625. Darryl Strawberry, numbered to 625. Adrian Gonzalez to 1500. Josh Hamilton, 1500. Ryan Zimmerman, 1500. You got an autograph. I think you have this card already. Jason Hayward, numbered to 99. So the booklet is going to be just a memorabilia card. Wow. Sweet. Jim Palmer jersey, Tom Seaver jersey, Nolan Ryan jersey, Sandy Koufax jersey, Bob Gibson jersey, and Whitey Ford jersey. It's number 2 of 27. It's all-time aces. Congratulations, bud. I'm happy for you.
Thanks.
Cool card.
Yeah.
Can I check it out?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Congratulations.
Thanks.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. As usual, stay tuned. My son's birthday is coming up in June, so we're gonna have some more box breaks for him. Alright guys, appreciate it. And sub and thumbs up. Thanks.